So let us see the question on Hilbert transform. Let us see this question. Find the Hilbert transform of following signal. Here I have given 1, 2, 3, 4 signals. So we want to find out Hilbert transform of these signals. So very simple question in the examination. So let us see the first one. So what is the Hilbert transform? So what is the Hilbert transform definition? Fh of t. The Hilbert transform definition is f of t given signal is convolution with 1 by pi t. So this is the how the Hilbert transform is defined. Very simple operation. F of t is convoluted with 1 by pi t function. So therefore, what is f of t is given? F of t is given as del of t. Say let us number one del of t. The convolution with 1 by pi t. So just to substitute the convolution definition, as you know that integral minus infinity to first function. In the first function, put tau, and the second function put in place of t minus tau with respect to d tau. So as you know that from the impulse operations, where this impulse exists at tau is equal to 0. So therefore substitute tau is equal to 0 in this function. So it will get as 1 by pi t. So therefore the Hilbert transform of del of t is Hilbert transform. HT stands for Hilbert transform is 1 by pi t. So this is the first one. Let us see the Hilbert transform of second function sine omega 0 t. So remember this hint. So while finding the Hilbert transform, very important hint. Hilbert transform provides 90 degrees phase shift to the signal. 90 degrees phase shift. So just by applying shortcut method, just sine omega 0 t minus pi by 2. Just to substitute minus pi by 2. So what do you get? So as you know that if you take minus as common, minus sine of pi by 2 minus omega 0 t. So which will give us minus cos omega 0 t. So this is the shortcut we have to remember. So for sine and cos, just substitute minus pi by 2. If sine omega 0 t is given, what is the Hilbert transform? Sine omega 0 t minus pi by 2. If cos omega 0 t is given, what is the Hilbert transform? Cos omega 0 t minus pi by 2. Remember this hint for competitive exams. Now, what is the Hilbert transform? Sine omega 0 t minus cos omega 0 t. So let us prove this. How to prove this? So this is the shortcut method. Let us see how to prove this. So what is the Hilbert transform definition? Fh of t is equal to f of t convolution with 1 by pi t. So this is the formula we have. So by taking Fourier transform, we have derived one more formula, Fh of omega. So that is equal to minus j signum of omega into f of omega. So this is the formula which we use now. So let us see what is this Fh of omega. So therefore, what is Fh of omega? So what is f of t is given? So f of t is given as sine omega 0 t. So what is the Hilbert transform Fh of omega? Just we have derived. So minus j signum of omega into f of omega. So as you know that minus j signum of omega into what is Fourier transform of sine omega 0 t. So this is the Fourier transform of sine omega 0 t. So therefore what is the sine omega 0 t Fourier transform? As you know that pi j into del of omega plus omega naught minus del of omega minus omega naught. So this is the Fourier transform of sine omega 0 t. So just to substitute here j into j square. So minus will get cancels out. It will become pi signum of omega into del of omega plus omega naught minus del of omega minus omega naught. Let us see what will happen. So that means if you multiply, say what is signum of omega, you know the signum of omega is as you know that it is plus 1 for positive frequencies, signum of omega plus 1, it is minus 1 for negative frequencies. So we are multiplying it with so just what are the impulses? You can see the impulses. So where these impulses exist? At omega is equal to omega 0, at omega is equal to omega 0, what is the amplitude? Minus pi. You can see that its amplitude is minus pi. From this, omega is equal to minus omega naught, omega is equal to minus omega naught, what is the amplitude? The amplitude is pi. So we are multiplying these two, sigma of omega and this function. Okay, what you will get? Let us see. So on the positive side, you can see on the positive side, plus 1 multiplied by minus pi, it will remain as it is. On the negative side, you can check that. On the negative side, this is very important. And so this is, you see that on the positive side, 1 multiplied by minus pi is minus pi, so it will remain as it is. It is minus pi at the frequency omega is equal to omega 0. At the negative frequency, you can see that it is multiplied with minus 1. So therefore, it will also come into pi into minus 1 is minus 1. So this is at omega is equal to minus omega 0 frequency. So therefore, this is written as, so therefore, fh of omega. So how it is written as minus pi. So minus pi into del of omega plus omega naught plus del of omega minus omega naught. So this is what you can write it as. So that means omega is equal to minus omega 0 frequency as minus pi amplitude. Omega is equal to omega 0 frequency as minus pi amplitude. So as you know that if you taking inverse Fourier transform, on both sides. So what is this is represented as fh of t. So what is the Fourier transform of this? Inverse Fourier transform of this. This is the inverse Fourier transform minus cos omega 0 t. So, as you know, the cos omega 0 t's Fourier transform is pi into del of omega plus del of omega minus omega naught. So therefore, inverse Fourier transform of this is cos omega 0 t because of minus, right? Minus. So that is what we get in shortcut method also. So this is how to remember this one. So let us see the next one, the third one, in the similar manner. So what we want to find out? We want to find out the Hilbert transform of cos omega 0 t. So what is the hint? Use the hint, just cos omega 0 t minus pi by 2. So which is also written as cos pi by 2 minus omega 0 t, cos 90 minus theta sin omega 0 t. So this is the answer, sin omega 0 t. So let us do it by the procedure. So therefore, what is Hilbert transform formula? fh of t is equal to f of t convolution with 1 by pi t. So this is what we have to do. If you take Fourier transform, fh of omega is equal to minus j sigma of omega into f of omega. So that is minus j sigma of omega into, what is the Fourier transform of cos omega 0 t? The Fourier transform of cos omega 0 t is pi into del of omega plus omega naught plus del of omega minus omega naught. So therefore, again, so multiply in the similar manner. First write sigma of omega, its value is plus 1 on the right side. So this is the sigma of omega versus omega. So its value is minus 1. So we are multiplying this with, so what is this function? You can see what is this function. Say this function has, so at omega is equal to omega 0, so you can see that its amplitude is say pi, its amplitude is minus pi, let us say minus pi, both because minus sign, keep minus sign here, minus pi. At omega is equal to omega minus omega naught, let us keep the amplitude also minus pi, keep j like that. So if you multiply both of them, so what will happen? On the positive side, 1 multiplied by negative is negative minus pi. On the left side, minus into minus will become plus, so it will become plus pi. So this is omega is equal to minus omega naught. So this is omega is equal to omega naught. So just multiply these two. So you will get like this. So therefore we can write fh of omega. So keep j as it is. If you multiply minus pi signum of omega, so what you will get? You will get it as pi into del of omega plus omega naught. What is the frequency here? Minus del of omega minus omega naught. Del of omega minus omega naught. So which is represented as what is the formula of this? Pi j del of omega plus omega naught minus del of omega minus omega naught. So represent it like this. So taking inverse Fourier transform, we get fh of t is equal to sin omega 0t. So therefore this is the Hilbert transform of cos omega 0t sin omega 0t. So let us see the last problem. So what we want to find out? Hilbert transform of cos omega 1t plus sin omega 2t. Use the hint because it is objective question. Cos of omega 1t minus pi by 2 you have to write like this, plus sin omega t 2t minus pi by 2. So this can be written as cos pi by 2 minus omega 1t, which is nothing but as sin omega 1t. So this is written as minus sin pi by 2 minus omega 2t. If you take minus as common, so which will come out as sin omega 1t sin 90 minus theta is cos omega 2t. So let us see which option is correct in the given question. So in the given question you can see that the Hilbert transform of cos omega 1t sin omega 2t is this one. This is the right answer for this question. So in this way you can find out the Hilbert transform of given signals. Thank you.